Hi, in front of me I have XIAOMI Imilab KW66 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. To change the language on this device, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the GloriFit app. Right here. Once it's paired, open the app on your phone. In the app, tap on Device. Here tap on the Universal Settings. And we have Device Language option selected. And here we have list of languages we can select. First I'm gonna wake up the screen on the watch so I can show you that it's in English language. So let's open the settings and it's in English, as you can see. Now let's select different language, for example Deutsch, and as you can see the language changed. So basically select the language you like by tapping on it like this and then go back, and that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.